you. Great. Dom, if you can come up on stage and share it with me. Dom's my co-founder, so let's give it up to Dom too. He has to put up with me today. What are we? I'm not going to talk too much about us. In brief, Dom and I are the co-founders of EasyA, and these are just a couple of the splendid teams who have been working together on Sorband. But what is EasyA? EasyA is one of the biggest networks of Web3 developers with a community of 650,000 people who are from 250 of the world's best blockchain clubs, from Harvard to Stanford to Cambridge and beyond as well, both junior, senior software developers. And they're super, super talented. Together they've raised over $3 million from A16Z, YC, and a number of other top VCs in the past couple of months alone. But what was the problem when we came to Sorband? Well, the first problem that the team shared with us was most people don't think of Stellar as a project or protocol rather that you can actually build on. They think of it really as just an assets transfer framework, and that's something which really resonated with our audience too. That was a problem that we saw. So our goals with Summer of Sorband were to introduce a way for developers to actually learn about it, to increase the number of monthly active developers in Sorband, and most of all, to build a funnel of VC-backable projects. So what does that actually look like? Well, up there we have a demo, and this is the EasyA mobile app. It's the fastest way for developers to actually get started building in Sorband without installing any dependencies. Developers can go from knowing literally nothing about Sorband, from just thinking about it as being an assets transfer framework, all the way up to actually deploying a very own smart contract right on Fusion app. I'll hand over to Dom, who can take us through some of the progress and journey we've had so far.
Great, thank you, Phil. So over the last couple of months, we've been working very closely with the Sorband team in order to run focus groups and also continue to build out the content that we've been implementing in the app that you'll see on the previous screens. So we really started in June 22nd, when we started actually developing challenges, really creating a narrative around what people find interesting about Sorband, and actually distilling these key learnings into these bite-sized challenges that you'll see inside the app. So anyone can now go ahead and download the app from the App Store, and we launched these challenges formally on the 11th of September. And essentially going forward, what we're looking to do is invite more ecosystem projects to actually participate and benefit from the community that we're building around Sorband through the challenges that we have inside the EasyA app. So far we've had huge impact in the past couple of months alone. We've had over 3,000 builders start to actually learn about Sorband through the in-app challenges. We've had over 2,500 builders complete all of these. So that's a really, really important metric that we track, obviously, course completion through the in-app challenges. We have over 50 universities who've participated in the challenges so far. So right from top UK universities such as Oxford and Cambridge, Imperial, UCL, all the way across to top universities across the US. And we've had real impact actually on the GitHub as well, Sorband. So we've had 250 almost new GitHub stars on the Sorband repo itself. So these are developers that are actually having tangible impact on the Sorband ecosystem. Going forwards, we've also continued to build up momentum on social media. So we've reached over almost 1 million developers through Twitter. And essentially what we've done is actually prompted developers to post about their journey, creating a viral flywheel. So as soon as someone finishes the challenge, they're able then to actually post on Twitter directly through the app, and then actually show everyone what they're doing and what they're building. So this is really cool in order to actually encourage people to get involved on a deeper level if they maybe haven't heard about Sorband through some conference or things like these. So we've had big global impact. These are just some of the amazing community folks that have been with us on the journey. And like I was saying, over 3,000 developers have already started learning about Sorband through EasyA, which is awesome to see. So going forward, just very briefly, we're looking to integrate more closely with MLH, really using EasyA as a way to gear people up for hackathons, create long-lasting projects. But we're also looking to build out even more challenges within the EasyA app, both on Sorband, and also we're looking to invite any other Stellar ecosystem projects into the fold too. So if you're a project looking to get exposure to this amazing audience, feel free to get us after this talk, and we can see how we can get modules built out on your technology, so you can also start reaching developers and get them contributing towards your projects. But that's it. Thank you for listening. If you're interested in following us, this is our Twitter, and obviously check out the app on the App Store if you want to learn more about Sorband. Thanks, everyone.